Good morning from day number 1 of the BvS squad video and photo retreat, the first ever inaugural from right here in Bali, and it all starts right now. Let's go. And good morning. What an incredible sunrise here in the rice terraces of Bali for our very first day of the first ever BvS squad video and photo retreat. So very cool to introduce you to this new sort of concept that we've got for a workshop, focused a lot more on video production and storytelling and editing, as well as photography, of course. And it's going to be quite the adventure because it is sort of brand new, and we've kind of thought of this idea, Brendan and I, about a year ago, to combine both video and photo into one retreat format, and what a better place to do it than here in Bali. So over the next few videos, I'm going to share with you a lot of the behind the scenes on what we're doing with the group. I'll be able to share their channels, and you can see the videos that the participants are creating while they're here, as well as a whole bunch of different locations here in Bali that we think are good for both video and for photo. So the rice terrace is here this morning. The sun is starting to filter in. It's going to be overexposed there, but it looks fantastic, and it's just been such a good first location here at this cafe restaurant. It's called Tis, right in the middle of the rice terraces, and just a perfect place to get this footage. We're gonna not talk too long to intro this video, the second intro, and I hope that you're subscribed, because I've noticed that there are about 40% of the viewers are not subscribed, which is just crazy to me. I thought all I had was a vlog audience. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We got lots of really good content from all over the world of video and photo and business and traveling and all that lovely stuff. So subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Let's continue our adventures here in Bali.
At the villa, and it's time to give you a little tour. So this is Greg's and my room, and there's about 7 rooms like this in this villa for all the other participants, and yeah, like you can see, they look great. We can't show them to you right now, but this is an example just without all of Greg's stuff lying everywhere on the ground. Next up is the pool. Look at this beautiful area. It's really perfect for chilling for the free time in between sessions, and we even have a unicorn. Look at that. Favorite part of the house, we have a yoga room.
Last but not least, my favorite room in the house, the Smiling Buddha / kitchen / work office space. And as Thor would say in Iceland, we have all of our little lambs here working away. The little lambs, they're doing their work. Amazing, isn't it? It's a terrible Icelandic accent. I'm sorry, Thor. Got the local Asian Thai Red Bull, and it's time to hit the road again. We are off to shoot sunset at the Tenalot Temple on the west coast of Bali, and it's going to be amazing. It is the afternoon of our first day now. We made it to our sunset location. This is Tenalot Temple, which is on the sort of southwest coast of Bali. Really good location for sunset, for both photo and video. And it looks like it's low tide right now. So a few of us that are part of the workshop are gonna head down to see if we can get some reflection shots in the tide pools, and hopefully some really nice footage of this incredible temple at a really nice location. So cool to see the mix here of what's possible with video and with photo. we are down at the Tanalot Temple, and it is busy as you can see. We found a really good location with this little pool in front of the temple, and some of this the sunset light just shining up this one face of the temple, and we're getting really good reflections down in this pool. So it's a good opportunity to share with you how a image or photograph can also work really well in video. So we actually have a bit of an advantage as photographers, because if you have a natural eye for composition, you can sort of turn that into video footage and try and get motion picture out of what you believe would make a good photograph. And then you come across with things like this, where you've got that perfect reflection of a subject, somebody walking across the temple in the background, and it just adds to your story and your narrative and creates something really nice to share with people on YouTube. So we're going to continue to explore this area, and hopefully we'll get some great light for sunset. The sun has just dipped below the horizon here at Tanalot Temple. This is the end of the first day of the BvS video and photo retreat here in Bali, BvS Squad, and it has been an awesome first day. It's a bit of a shorter video, and to be honest, this location was a little bit more challenging for photography than I initially thought. Maybe it's to do with like bluebird skies, no clouds in the sky, but I thought all this foreground was going to have such good like leading lines and interest, and maybe I spent a little bit too much time you know, with the participants, which is why we're here in the first place, but trying to talk to them about, you know, video and about photography and sort of how I see it and how I go about doing my job a lot of the times. And yeah, before you know it, the sun dips down. We are relatively close to the equator here in Bali, so our sunset time is a lot shorter than what I've been used to over the last few months. So yeah, but you know, that's all part of this whole experience, and fun to be able to share with you here on the channel as well. So that's the end of the first day, and realistically it was just amazing, really cool to bring you along on this experience. So as always, I'm going to cut myself off because I could chat forever, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you're looking forward to the next videos here in Bali, because they are going to be really cool, and we're bringing you along on the retreat. So welcome, and I will see you on the next one.